Hello, I'm Bruce. Now I'm going to introduce you the different handles on the shower screens that we're using now. Well, let's have some details. Basically, we have three types of the sliding, three types of the handles. As we see now, these handles have the length of 20 centimeters. It is the standard. They are the standard ones we are now using. The one on the left, it is the least quality one. All of them are made of stainless steel, but there are somehow differences. This one on the left, it is the least quality. It is hollow and it's made of the stainless sheet is thin, so it is light. When you grab it, it's you feel it's not heavy. And also you can the collection part. There's a joint. And the other two, you see, the other two, they are seamless design. Now you see the difference. Same at the other end. Okay. The least quality one, it's light. It's least quality and the least price. And this part is made of metal. It is with plastic. Sorry, it is made of plastic with chrome plated. And for the second one, it's seamless. As we see, it's slightly heavier than this model, than the cheapest version. And also this loop thing here is made of plastic with chromed plating. Now the last one. This is the last one. As we can see, the finish is flawless. It is heavy. It's pretty heavy. And also this part is made of zinc alloy. Now I will remove it from the handle. This is part. Also this part on the least quality one. There you go. And this one. these two parts are nearly the same, almost the same, but this is different. Now we see the difference. Now I'm gonna drop this part to the floor and let's do some test. And this. Once again for this part. And this. So it is solid. And it is high quality, it's solid, and it's made of zinc alloy, and the finish is chrome, flawless chrome. Now I can see myself holding the camera. So this is it. So this is the three types of the handlebars we are basically using now, and they are the same shape. The section, they have the same section. Same section. Like this. Now I'm going to introduce you another model. Which is this. It's 4 centimeters long and it is also very popular. It's coming with a high lobe there. Now let's check the section part. Did you see the difference? The one on the left is oval shaped, but this one on the right is kind of have edges. It has edges. It feels different. So it has edges all the way through the end, here, and here, and here. So when you glue up this, so you will feel different when you glue up this kind of handles. It's different. Also, this handlebar this handle is quite high quality. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and hope you now understand more about the quality of sliding shower screens. And if you have any questions, or if you are interested in dealing with our products, please feel free to contact me at 0086 152 5710 4449 May Bruce. I'll be happy at your service.